Knowing the key road signs can make all the difference behind the wheel. Today, we're covering the 40 most essential UK road signs that every driver should know. We'll explain what each sign means and how it helps you stay safe and in control on the road. Whether you're studying for your theory test or just want to brush up on your knowledge, this guide has you covered. Let's jump right in. Question 1. Which sign indicates that a historic castle tourist attraction is 10 miles, 16 kilometers, ahead? The answer is B. Question 2. Which sign represents no left turn? The answer is C. Question 3. Can you identify the slow-moving military vehicles sign? The answer is A. Question 4. Which sign shows the direction of the route to a tourist attraction for pedestrians? The answer is D. Question 5. Which sign alerts drivers that icy conditions may exist? The answer is B. If you're 5 for 5 so far, give this video a like to celebrate your progress. Let's keep that momentum going as we dive into the next set of signs together. Question 6. Which sign indicates the distance to public toilets and telephones? The answer is B. Question 7. Which sign warns of pedestrians ahead? The answer is C. Question 8. Which sign reminds driver that they should keep a distance of 2 chevrons? The answer is A. Question 9. Can you identify the wild animals sign? The answer is A. Question 10. Which sign indicates a narrow road to the left ahead? The answer is A. Question 11. Which sign shows the appropriate traffic lanes for different maneuvers? The answer is C. Question 12. Which sign represents an opening or swing bridge ahead? The answer is A. Question 13. Can you identify the no left turn sign? The answer is A. Question 14. Which sign marks the end of designated quiet lane in England? The answer is C. Question 15. Which sign indicates stop before crossing, police ahead? The answer is B. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 16. Which sign shows the distance ahead to a parking place with a tourist information point? The answer is B. Question 17. Can you identify the 200 yards to a roundabout or the next point sign? The answer is A. Question 18. Which sign warns that the road narrows on both sides? The answer is A. Question 19. Which sign indicates that traffic merges onto the main carriageway? The answer is B. Question 20. Which sign marks the 200 yards to a roundabout or the next 3? The answer is D. Question 21. Can you identify the sign for vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited? The answer is D. Question 22. Which sign warns of the risk of ice ahead? The answer is A. Question 23. Can you identify the 300 yards to a roundabout or the next point sign? The answer is D. Question 24. Which sign shows that all 3 lanes are closed? The answer is B. Question 25. Which sign instructs that vehicular traffic must turn ahead in the direction? The answer is C. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 26. Can you identify the tourist sign for cricket ground? The answer is B. Question 27. Which sign marks the end of area where vehicles may be parked partially? The answer is D. Question 28. Which sign indicates the 200 yards to escape lane ahead for vehicles? The answer is C. Question 29. Which sign shows that traffic merges from the left? The answer is B. Question 30. Can you identify the sign that indicates traffic has priority over vehicles from the opposite direction? The answer is C. Question 31. Which sign represents horse-drawn vehicles? The answer is A. Question 32. Can you identify the additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead sign? The answer is B. Question 33. Which sign alerts drivers to an uneven road? The answer is A. Question 34. Can you identify the traffic signals ahead sign? The answer is D. Question 35. Which sign shows the 20 kilometers per hour speed limit? The answer is A. Question 36. Which sign marks the 200 yards to escape lane to the left for vehicles? The answer is B. Question 37. Can you identify the sign for 10 miles to the next motorway service area? The answer is A. Question 38. Can you identify the more details level crossing without gate ahead sign? The answer is C. Question 39. Can you identify the controlled zone sign? The answer is C. Question 40. Which sign indicates the junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown? The answer is A. That's a wrap on our 40 most essential UK road signs review. Which signs stood out to you, and are there any you want to go over again? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If this video helped you feel more prepared, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss new driving tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.